Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, I feel like a little bit like a broken record today. I think, because nothing happens. It's just been moving sideways here today. I still count the move sideways here as a wave 4. And the idea is, again, discussed in previous videos. I won't repeat it necessarily, but just quick update or quick reminder that a wave 1 probably topped here. That's the end of a 5-wave move in Elliott Wave. So the idea is the trend is up. We're looking for a 3-wave pullback. That 3-wave pullback would be an ABC structure, and we're currently likely in the A wave. I'm looking for ideally 5 waves in wave A. An A wave can also have only 3 waves, but it looks quite impulsive. Therefore, one more low at least would be expected in this A wave. Yeah, so A wave, or alternatively already the C wave, which means we need to consider that as soon as we have this low in place, the wave 2 might already be complete and we might go directly to the upside. But at the moment, the idea is this is only an A wave. We will then get a B wave and a C wave. The idea is that this is, again, very corrective. Looks a little bit like an ascending wedge. These typically break to the downside, not always, no guarantee, but they often do. So we've got this ascending wedge pattern, which gives me hope that it could really break to the downside. We have a complete 3-wave structure, so I can count that as an ABC structure. It can still extend a little higher, but this wave 4, so the subwave of the move down, this wave 4 is only likely a wave 4 as long as price stays below the 50% retracement, 30,650. A sustained break above that level would unlock more bullish potential, and we could see a surge to the upside. This is of course possible because it's the case that Bitcoin is in resistance, but at the same time, Bitcoin is also in support, because we've got a lot of structural support here in this region that you can see here, around 29,730, all the way to where we are at the moment. So it's a bit squeezed between support and resistance, and don't necessarily think it's guaranteed that it will go down from here. It is currently expected, but above 30,650 we have to change our perspective. But I have no reason to believe at the moment that an overall low is in here and that we are going higher. If we go higher, again, we probably just put in another extension of wave 1 or a high B wave of something. I don't think we're already in the 3rd wave. It would take a move above 33K to assume we're already in the 3rd wave rally. Overall, we are bullish anyway on Bitcoin, you know that. But in the short term, there is some downside potential. But yeah, ideally, Bitcoin stays constrained by this, first of all, the pattern, and breaks down. Okay, if it goes above the pattern, the structure, then we've got the 50% fib level, and only above that level we need to redo our wave count and change the scenario. Until then, the expectation is to go down lower. I mean, ideally I would like it not to exceed today's intraday high anymore. Oops, so let me just shift that back. Ideally it stays below that 38.2 fib level at 30,480. But you never know, it can still extend a little higher here. But again, the limit for the wave 4 is that 50% fib level. It can use the entire box basically without invalidating the structure. So yeah, that's sort of what I'm watching. And then ideally it's going to go down with at least one more low. And consider that a break below what I have labeled as a B wave low here, below 30,080. Consider that a break below that level will be a confirmation that this 5th wave has started. Pay attention to a break of the trend line, then a break of the B wave low, and I want to see it below 29,920, and ideally with a target of the yellow support area starting at 29,150. The idea is to get 2 more lows, as you can see here, because up there we've got a 1-2-1-2 setup. 3rd wave, 4th wave, 5th wave would be the higher degree 3rd, then a 4th and a 5th to complete the A wave. If we get 2 more lows or 1, I'm not entirely sure at this stage. The plan would be 2 more lows. Yeah. So, but yeah, the resistance is clear. you need to understand we are also in a relevant structural support area already. So it's a very difficult environment here in the on the Bitcoin chart at the moment. You need to understand Bitcoin is at a major decision point, because a break above last week's highs, I mean, it's still this week, but you know what I mean, above these highs would indicate that we are really in bullish environment. It would be a real breakout, and that could take it to 40 to 50K. But that needs to happen first, right? It needs to happen first. But our view is that we are bullish on Bitcoin very short term, as long as the 78.6 FIB level is holding at 26,280. That's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.